Hey creators, welcome back. Today we're diving into Lovart, the world's first AI-powered design agent. Imagine having a 24/7 creative partner that brings virtually any idea to life, with zero limits on your imagination. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. What is Lovart? Lovart is an intuitive AI-powered platform that instantly turns simple text prompts into professional-grade visuals, dynamic videos, and fully rigged 3D assets. No steep learning curve, just your ideas. Every step is just a click away. One prompt, endless possibilities. In a single step, generate entire asset suites, brand logos, social media graphics, motion teasers, and even 3D models. Instantly spin up dozens of variations and pick your favorite before diving into fine-tuning. Editable layers. Works like your favorite design app. Each element lives on its own layer. Move, resize, recolor, or swap out any object non-destructively on an infinite canvas. Style matching. Simply upload a mood board or reference clip, and Lovart instantly matches colors, textures, and overall vibe. From vintage film grain to neon futurism. Video magic. Turn static scripts into full-motion video, auto-edited cuts, dynamic transitions, and synced subtitles. Choose your soundtrack, set the pacing, and let Lovart handle the rest.
Introducing Ashmit Video and Motions, where creativity meets precision. Professional video production and motion graphics for your brand's visual story. Ashmit, bringing your vision to life.
No manual keyframing required. Production ready. Exports download high-res PNGs, MP4s, SVGs, or optimized 3D files with the right codecs and aspect ratios for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more. Built-in presets mean you never have to guess export settings again. What's new in this first layered editing swap? Any element without restarting your project. Instantly replace backgrounds, characters, or objects while keeping the rest of your design intact. Non-destructive adjustments. Tweak colors, positions, and effects on individual layers. Perfect for last-minute client changes or creative experiments. 2. Video agent. From script to screen in minutes. Paste your storyboard or script and watch Lovart auto-cut, time and sequence your clips. Built-in transitions, motion presets, and subtitle styling mean you never touch a timeline manually.
She found his voice in a shoebox. Some memes don't fade, they hiss and crackle. Her name is Ria. She's 20 now. They used to trade mixtapes instead of texts. Then life got louder, and they lost each other in the noise. Until that day, when his tape spoke again. Ria, if you're hearing this, I hope you still dance when it rains. She did, in her room, alone. The world moved on, but his voice still found her. She says love isn't always about staying. It's about remembering loud enough.
Deliver polished video teasers, ads, or social posts faster than ever. 3. Multimodal power over 40 asset types from a single prompt. Create static images, animated GIFs, 3D models, looping videos, and more, all in one project. Seamlessly switch between modes. Export a poster, spin up a 10-second promo, then generate a 3D mockup without leaving the canvas. Ideal for cross-platform campaigns requiring diverse formats. 4. Talk, tab, tune, natural language design control. Talk. Describe changes out loud or in text. Make the sky more purple. Crop to 9:16, etc. Tab. Preview variations side by side in one interface tab. Tune. Fine-tune. Brightness, contrast, timing, and effects with simple sliders or follow-up prompts. No menus, no hidden settings. Just say what you want. 5. Custom workflows, mix and match AI models, zero coding required. Build step-by-step pipelines. Start with image generation, then apply style transfer, followed by video editing, all in sequence. Save your favorite workflow as a reusable template for future projects. Collaborate by sharing workflows with your team for consistent results every time. We think Lovart is a total game changer, powerful enough for pros, simple enough for beginners. Ready to unleash your vision? And remember, on July 23rd, Lovart opens its doors to everyone. No more invite codes needed. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.